Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at Audi. We're doing a fitment on the SQ5. This bracket will also fit the regular Q5, so it'll work for the Q5 or the SQ5. And this is a no drill, so not all Audis are no drills. Sometimes there's no fasteners, but this one happens to be a no drill, which is nice. And there's your front view. It's going to go in the lower center there. So I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike and we'll go ahead and get started on the fitment.
All right, thanks Steve. And like Steve said, this is going to be a no drill, so we're going to use the factory mounting locations. However, we'll be using different hardware, so we're going to be removing two fasteners here. These are they've got a T25 Torx head on them, and this car here has the distinction of being the longest bracket we make, so it's quite the span. I think we're probably pushing our limit here on this one. It's bracket itself is like 16 inches, and it's the longest we've ever made, so very interesting. So this one's going to be using two 4.8 by 25s and two 1/8 inch spacers. And again, really important, start one side finger tight and then start the other side finger tight. And once you get them started, then you can go ahead and start tightening them up. Alright, go all the way over here. Like I said, you can see this is quite the bracket. But like Steve was saying earlier, it's nice because this makes it a no drill, where a lot of them you have to put, you'd be probably mounting in here or something. But going into a metal J clip, so you can tighten these up pretty good. I always like to grab it up by the head, so then I make sure I don't over tighten it, but then I can really give it a good thing. You don't want to get down here and the end of the ratchet, because then you could probably go ahead and strip stuff out. But being up here by the head, you minimize your leverage and you can crank it pretty good. All right, so that's on there. So now you can take your front, start it in, get it by the pull pin and push it until it clicks into place, and you're done.
Yep, remember to lubricate your pull pin from time to time. And if you take this through a car wash, make sure you remove your front plate with your license plate on it, because it will get damaged. And here's your view, so your license plate will go on the front plate, and you are done.
Okay, now we're going to install your license plate onto the front of your Stonshow. So you take the front plate, license plate, you're going to take the plastic screws. They're going to go in from the back, because again, what you're doing is clearance. You don't want them scraping onto the car. And then you're going to put it through the license plate like that, and then start your nut on the outside. You can do that with all the four of them. In through the back. Start that one. Okay, there you go. So that's how you put this is a 1/4 inch screw with a 1/4 inch nut. It's a 7/16 head, so you can take a 7/16 wrench or socket, and then your bladed screwdriver, and just tighten it. Oops. And there you go. And that's what it should look like, the screw from the back and the nut on the top. And then if you were going to add a frame to it, you would simply put your license plate into the frame, and then everything else would be the same.